Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Mathematics Past Question 14. An equilateral triangle of sides 2 cm is inscribed in a circle. Find the area of the circle. Now, an equilateral triangle simply refers to a triangle that has its 3 sides equal and also has all its angles the same. Now, the options are 4 pi centimeter square, 8 pi centimeter square, 4 all over 3 pi centimeter square, and D 3 all over 4 pi centimeter square. Now let's just take a pictorial representation of this. We have a circle and then an equilateral triangle inscribed in the circle like this. Now looking at this, you know that this is not actually the radius of the circle. Let's assume this is the center of the circle, and let's take a point down here and a point down here. Now since all sides of the circle is 2 cm because it's the same, and all the angles also should be 60 degree. Now if here is 60 degree, there is a law from cyclic quadrilateral that says that the angle at the center of a circle is twice the angle at the circumference. So if here is 60, here should be 120 degree. Now if this is 120 degree, we can simply find these two angles because here is R and here is R. This now marks the radius of the circle, so they are both the same. Now this triangle here is an isosceles triangle. Let me bring it out. There's a small triangle there now. I just brought out this triangle now. So this is this triangle here. So here is 120 degree. So definitely here will be 30 degree, and here also will be 30 degree. Meanwhile, here is 2 cm. And remember, here represents the radius of the circle. So we have to find what the radius of the circle. Now using sine rule. Using sine rule, we can simply say that R, let's pick any of them, R all over sine 30 is equals to 2 cm all over sine 120. Sine 120. So from here, when we cross multiply, we'll have R sine 120 is equals to 2 sine 30. Now this will give us R multiplied by sine 120 is root 3 all over 2 is equals to 2 multiplied by sine 30 is 1 over 2. So 2 we cancel 2, giving us 1. So now we have that R will be equals to 1 all over root 3 over root 2, and that is equals to 2 all over root 3. Now we have to rationalize this because we can't pick this as our final answer. Rationalizing this, we multiply the numerator by the denominator and also the denominator by the what denominator, which is root 3. So that means R is equals to 2 root 3 all over root 3 multiplied by root 3 will give us 3. So R is 2 root 3 all over 3. Now area of the circle, like we know, area of a circle is equals to pi R square. So this is equals to pi multiplied by 2 root 3 all over 3 multiplied by 2 root 3 all over 3, which is the radius of the circle. So this is equals to pi multiplied by 2 times 2 will give us 4, and 3 root 3 multiplied by root 3 will give us 3 all over 3 times 3. Now 3 we cancel 3, so therefore we have this is equals to 4 all over 3 pi centimeter square. So the area of this circle is 4 all over 3 pi centimeter square, and that is option C. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.